Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Nissan Sentra. On this Nissan Sentra we're going to go over how you replace the wiper blades. So you're just going to pull it, the wiper blade doesn't give you a whole lot of space to pull it up completely, but you just got to get enough access to be able to pull this little tab right in the back there, and that gives you the unlock motion. So you just remove the wiper. You take your new wiper, and these are the J-hook style, and so just kind of line this up inside of there. And just press it up to lock it into place, and that's how you replace that. So that was the driver's side, and then we have the passenger side. Which is going to be the same concept. Raise it up, hold the tab, back it up, and then lock it into place. And so that's how you replace your wiper blades on your 2019 Nissan Sentra. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.